Hey, Bryan Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We got a brand new car, the McLaren F1 by AFX Racemasters. Brand new car, sweet. They're the McLaren Formula One Team MCL38 2024. This was last year, Australian Grand Prix. And so we're gonna cut this open. These are absolutely highly detailed. The evolution of slot cars is constantly improving, okay? And I'll just hold it there, and I'll try to rotate it a little bit on my fingers here, but the detail on this car is absolutely awesome. And this is the car number 4. There's 2 of the cars. They look just alike. The guy has a yellow head. The other guy has a blue. And this is car number 4, okay? And these are super fast, very smooth, quiet. Look at that. We'll stop in the downtown. And these are brand new. They're shipping right now. We have them in stock at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to get yours on stock in order right now. Wow, these are sweet. And these are the F1 cars. This is the G Plus, Mega G Plus chassis with the inline motor, your wide guide shoes so that you can use the hairpin turn. And this is the short chassis. And these are the McLaren F1 cars. They're brand new. They're available at ProTinkerToys.com, and these are sweet. Long chassis. It's a long chassis. Anyways, they're sweet looking anyways, because these are highly detailed. They have a lot of flash on them. And this is the McLaren F1, car number 4, 2024 Australian Grand Prix. This is the evolution of slot cars. And this is the McLaren F1. There are 2 cars. They also have the Alfa Romeos. Those are also available. These are available right now, brand new. They just shipping 22103. 22103 McLaren F1 MCL38 car number 4. Available at ProTinkerToys.com. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and make sure you hit that bell button, okay? And you want to hit the thumbs up, baby. That's right. We want thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. ProTinkerToys.com out.